G'day, it's Andy from Swell Building Inspections, and this is your daily dose of defects. Today we're talking about balconies and water ingress into buildings. And the other day we did an inspection at a property. We had a concrete balcony here above another living area, and what we had going on was there's a beam underneath this concrete balcony area that had water damage because of water coming in from the balcony. Now, the water was not coming in through the concrete floor itself, but it was actually coming into this area due to capillary action. So what we had here is that along the lip here of this balcony, there's no drip groove or drip edge, and which is what you need along these edges here, so that when water comes over the edge of the balcony, it will drip down to the ground rather than coming in and then by capillary it can actually make its way back in this direction or in this direction and do this. So what has occurred here is at the end of this balcony, it's coming back in through between the concrete and the brickwork, making its way along this beam and damaging all the plasterboard along this beam in this little rumpus room that's underneath this balcony area. And if left like this, it'll just continue happening, and they'll continue to get water damage and water staining and keep needing to patch it and everything. So we've put into this building inspection report that they need to create a drip edge or a drip groove, so they can either install like an alloy angle along the bottom edge of that concrete slab to create a drip edge, or that they could use a concrete cutting device like a grinder to create a groove along that bottom edge, which will break the ability of the water to be able to capillary back into that bedroom, and that will fix their problems. There probably wouldn't be much need for them to do anything further than that. They'd need to assess it, but we also would advise that they would have it waterproofed and stuff as well. But being an older building and the water ingress is only happening because of the capillary action, we haven't advised that as part of the defect estimate. Do yourself a favour, get a pre-purchase building inspection today so that you can buy it with confidence. See you on the next one.